Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and in this video we're going to show you how to properly unbox the QNED85 series from LG. We've got the 55-inch model here for you today. It does come in a variety of sizes, so make sure you refer to your instruction manual for proper unboxing on sizes other than 55 inches. Stay tuned. The first thing you're going to want to do for this one is it's taped closed, so you'll want to grab either a knife or scissors and cut open the tape on the top. Now that we've got the tape cut, we're just going to open the top of the box here, and you'll see there are some accessories located up here. We've got a couple of pedestal feet that are going to attach to the back of the TV. We've got a power cord. And that looks like it for what's on top of the box. Okay, now we've got all of the accessories off the top. Normally there's a bag that has the remote and stuff in it. I'm assuming it's under the styrofoam here, so now we're going to remove the styrofoam. And there is a bag of accessories down there as well. Okay, so a little bit of an issue here as we're unboxing the 55-inch. There aren't any cutouts for your hands to go into at the bottom of the TV, so when you're lifting it out of here, you kind of have to find a couple different spots on the back that you can grip onto to lift the TV out. Just be very, very cautious when you're doing this so you don't cause any damage to the screen while you're lifting it out. And now we're going to install the pedestal. It really just involves 2 feet, and then there are 4 M4 by L16 screws that we're going to be putting into the backs of these. So it doesn't matter which pedestal foot you use, they both work on either side, and there's a little tab at the top, and then there's a little cutout on the back of the TV. That tab is just going to slide into there. You sort of have to angle it in, and when you set it down, you'll be able to see straight down into the holes where you're going to put the 2 screws, and then you're just going to take 2 of those and tighten them down. And now we just do the same thing on the other side. And now with the help of a friend, we're just going to lift the TV up, flip it around, and then plug it in and get it fired up for you. As you can see, the setup process is pretty straightforward for this one. You just want to make sure when you're opening the box, at least for the 55-inch, that you get as secure of a grip as you can on the back of the TV, because like I said, there aren't really cutouts at the bottom to get your hand underneath the screen. So just keep that in mind when you're unboxing this one. As far as picture quality goes, we've had a chance to watch this now for a little bit, and the color quality is really nice on this one. It's definitely a step above entry level. I mean, this is a great looking TV for somebody who kind of wants to be at a mid-level price point and still get a terrific picture. So this is going to be one you're going to want to check out. Make sure you stay tuned, because as always, we're going to be doing an overview on this one as well as some comparisons. So stay tuned for all of those. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.